Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up automatic transfers for your Revolut account. So it's pretty easy, you just have to open the app and then on the home page go to the Add Money section, which is going to be on the left side. Then you have to select your transfer method, use the one that you prefer. You can use Apple Pay, debit card, credit card or bank transfer. And after that you can click on this icon on the left next to the transfer icon, and here you can set up the automatic transfer button by adding the amount that is going to be your minimum amount, which means that if your balance falls below this amount, then it is going to transfer automatically the amount that you set below this. Obviously here are a few options like 300, 600, 1,200 or 3,000, but obviously you can type in any specific amount that fits your needs for the top-up amount and for the minimum amount that is going to initiate the transfer. And when you have set up all these details and your payment method, you just tap on save and it is going to remember it and always top up your card. If this video was helpful for you, please consider sending a super thanks donation.